Hello, children. Hope you all are fine at home. Here, a picture is given. What is this? Have you seen it anywhere? Yeah, it's straw house, which is built with straw. That is, after removing the grain like wheat, rice, like that, the thing which is left over from that, they have constructed a house that is called as straw house. This house is built with what, children? Yes, this house is built with sticks. This is stick house. Next, you have seen this type of houses, right? Yes, we also live in this type of houses, that is built with using bricks, cement, something like that. Okay. Yes, children. Next, we'll see two more pictures. What's that? What's this? Pigs. What do you call pigs, baby? Piglets. How many piglets are here? Three. Yes. Next, what's this? A wolf, isn't it? Yes, children. Today we are going to see a new story or lesson, that is Three Little Pigs. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. See, children, once there were three little pigs. What was the name of that pigs or piglets? Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Yes, Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks and Gonu lived in a house of bricks. Children, as I show you in the pictures, you saw straw house, stick house and brick house, isn't it? Here, Sonu lived in a house of straw. This is Monu's house and he lives in a house of stick. And this is whose house, children? Yes, Gonu's house. He lives in the house of what? Bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. What happens one day? A wolf comes that is very big and very bad. He came to Sonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. That wolf said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. He said that he will huff and puff and blow the house down. Whose house is telling? Yes, Sonu's house. It is made up of straw. Good. So at the same time, how he said he will huff and puff and blow the house down. So he did the same thing. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. Then he blew Sonu's house. When Sonu's house blew down by wolf, he ran to Monu's house. And the bad wolf came to Monu's house too. And there also he said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the Monu's house also. Next, what happened? Sonu's house went. Monu's house also went. Whose house is left then? Yes, that is Gonu's house. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. What happened? Sonu's house went, Monu's house went. Both started running towards Gonu's house. Then the wolf also follows them. And he says the same dialogue there. I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. He said like that to Sonu and Mono and he blew their house down, isn't it? Like that he wanted to blow down the Gonu's house. So he huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow the brick house down. Gono house was made up of brick, isn't it? Bricks are strong, like our houses. He could not able to blow it down. It was very strong. The Gonu's house was very strong. That wolf tried and tried. He tried. The wolf went away and Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. He couldn't blow that house down, so he went back to forest. In the brick house, that is red brick house, Sonu, Monu and Gono lived happily together. Okay, children, we have to be strong like that brick house. Okay. Yes, students, in the next class, we'll see the textual part and we'll read the classwork. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.